Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie.
And welcome Trigon GV2 at Boss Frank Bike Parts and Accessories. So guys, this is the newest member of the Boss Frank Bike Parts lineup, the Trigon. Whoop! Okay guys, para maayos natin, papakita ko na yung specs. So, this is a small frame na gravel. No, for gravel, I think this is for 5'3 to 5'7. Pasok. Okay. Then, ginamit natin yung sobrang ganda ng shifting sa market, which is the Shimano GRX 1x12. 42T 1051 pag-akyat sa bundok ng Tralala. The saddle all-road Cel San Marco na super comfort. Nice pa. With the bar tape, gumamit tayo ng Bicycle Project Manila na vegan. Guys, eto pinakasulit na bar tape. Hindi bumabaho. Sobrang ganda. And check mo yung handlebar. Carbon Lodi. Wheel set Shimano GRX carbon. Tires Michelin Power Gravel 700 by 40C. Fork carbon. Wow. 8.04 kilograms. Trigon GV2. Grabe guys. Sobrang gaan nito for a gravel. 8.04. Guys, price 240,000, no? Sobrang ganda. You can avail it 24 months, zero interest via RCBC. Pag 12 months naman po, up to 12 months, which is BDO, HSBC, BPI, East West Bank, Bank of Commerce, and China Bank. So guys, visit kayo dito sa BEZ Tower San Juan. Hanapin nyo si Apple Pascual and ako si Frank para makuha nyo tong 8.04 kilograms na bike. Again, I'm Boss Frank of Bike Parts. Merry Christmas.